Hi, it's Rich here at ITS, and as you know, or as I very much hope you know, if I'm doing my job properly, you will be well aware that the ITS 4 weeks of Black Friday sale is well underway over at its.co.uk, where we've got some incredible deals on power tools, hand tools, workwear, power tool accessories, basically everything you need to get the job done, whether you're in DIY or you're a pro tradesman, tradeswoman, grafting day in, day out. So it's the best place to come over the next few weeks for some incredible deals, no matter what brand it is you follow and no matter what equipment it is you need to get the job done. I've laid out some of my favourite deals here that I'll just take you through, some absolute belters, but please do head over to its.co.uk right now if you're in the trade or you're keen on your DIY, because we can bag you an absolute bargain at the moment in our 4 weeks of Black Friday sale. Also, bear in mind, the reason it's 4 weeks of Black Friday is every single Friday throughout November we're going to be launching brand new deals here over on ITS. So take a look, keep an eye on our Facebook, our Twitter, Instagram, all the usual social places, and of course the website, because if you don't see something that you're going to want right now, you will on Friday, I almost guarantee it. We've got over 1,500 different deals over at ITS, so I'm going to buzz through some of my favourites right now, but if you do head over to the website, it's not just the homepage. Have a bit of a deeper dive, have a look in some of those categories. I'm sure you'll find a bargain that you absolutely love. First and foremost, let's check out this one, absolute headliner for us here. Really, really popular. This has started very, very well. You guys are loving it. It's a DeWalt brushless two-piece kit. So 18 volt XR range, brushless motors. So you've got the latest motor technology in there. You've got the drill driver and the impact driver with 2 batteries, case and charger. And we've taken £65 off the normal price of that. We can offer that for just £124.99 plus the VAT. So under £125 for that two-piece kit, the twin pack. And everything that you see there is included as well. Hugely impressive. And like I said, that's started really, really well. We've got deals on things like smart power tool accessories. So you've got these 8-piece multi-tool blade set. Everything you would need there for your multi-tools. Just £19.99 plus the VAT. So again, under £20. Saving of over 50%. That's a great one. Team Red, of course, not missing out. Team Red, you've got this really nice heavy-duty contractor's bag, 24-inch contractor's bag, just £15.99 plus the VAT. We've got some great deals on Milwaukee power tools as well. I'll follow up with some more on some other videos, but that's a real good one that people are absolutely loving. Firm favourite, of course, the Vaunt 46-piece hand tool set. So nice collection of different hand tools, screwdrivers, adjustable wrench. You've got the multi-head screwdriver and screwdriver bits, of course. The hex key set, little torpedo level, hacksaw, some different pliers. You've got a hammer, combi square, tape measure. So, everything you need really to do those little odds and sods around the house or those niggly little jobs on site. Brilliant value at just £24.99 plus the VAT. £29.99 plus the VAT, I beg your pardon. But that's valued at over £80. So huge saving of that on all of those different hand tools. One to chuck in the van, or if, loads of do some bits and bobs around the home, that's absolutely ideal for you. Stanley Boots, everyone loves a good old Stanley boot here. We've got a couple of these. We've got these in brown. I think we've got as possibly black as well. But we've got a few different boots on the ITS website. Right now in the ITS sale, just £25 with no VAT to pay. And they're SB rated, so we've got the midsole protection and of course the toe cap. So they are site legal and they look pretty good as well, if you don't mind me saying. Really popular, like I said, £25. That is better than half price, and there's no VAT to pay on those either. This is a belter, again, another Team Yellow, another DeWalt highlight for me. This is the DCD 709. So this is a combi drill. We've got the metal chuck on this combi drill as well, so it's a really heavy duty, impressive 18 volt combi drill. And we're going to offer that to you with 2 4-amp hour batteries. So they are the 4-amp hour batteries from DeWalt with the T-Stack case. I couldn't get it on the table because it was a bit of a mess. T-Stack case and the fast lithium-ion charger there as well. A great deal. 2 4-amp hour batteries with the battery indicator. 2 of those, battery, case, charger, heavy-duty combi drill with a metal chuck. £119.99. plus the VAT. That is under £120 with 2 4-amp hour batteries, just to remind you there. That's an absolute steal. If you're into Team Yellow, you need a new combi drill, you know where to come. And finally, over to a few Makita bits that we're absolutely loving as well. We've got a twin pack of chargers, the DC18RC fast charger from Makita. That will charge your battery if it's a 3-amp in about 22 minutes. If it's a 5-amp hour battery in 45 minutes. So we can give you 2 of those right now for £56.99 plus the VAT. 2 others from Makita that we're loving. The 36 volt twin 18 volt SDS drill, heavy duty SDS drill, the DHR265 or 264, beg your pardon, from Makita. We're doing that with £110 off. You heard that right, £110 off that SDS drill for just £139.99 plus the VAT, so under £140 for that. And finally, the Dmr-110 DAB Plus radio, so that's the DAB Plus signal, the newer signal, crisper, finer, better signal, more stations. We're doing this for you for just £69.99 plus the VAT. Absolute great deal there. So hopefully that gives you a bit of an idea of the variety we've got. We've even got the Stanley XL3 level pack. So we've got 3 of the most popular sizes of levels in the Stanley Fatmax XL brand. So these are nice, heavy duty, really solid levels, one of the most highly rated level sets out there. And right now we're going to do that level set with the bag for just £79.99. That is the lowest price we've ever had that level set. And it's, like I said, one of the most popular level sets out there on the market. So hopefully that gives you a bit of an idea, the idea of the variety, the amount of different bits and bobs we've got on sale. And this certainly isn't everything. We've got over 1,500 different lines in the sale. New deals added every single Friday morning throughout all of November, and plenty more available over on our website, over at its.co.uk. So check it out now, bag yourself a bargain, and take a look at ITS 4 weeks of Black Friday over at its.co.uk.